I have a very interesting project for you today. This is a bidet installation we've done in Scottsdale, Arizona, far north in the area called Desert Mountain. It does look like a toilet, but it's not a toilet. It has a faucet and a drain like a sink. We also installed a soap dish right here and a towel bar on the other side. And those clues should give you an idea what a bidet is used for. Let's go. That's how the water runs. If you push this nozzle up all the way, that's how it looks from this angle. You can also point the nozzle to the side. That's all the way there. This is all the way here. You can also try something else here. If you lift this up, same as a sink, you plug the drain. Now the water level rises. If you let it go up to this point, which is the overflow, water will go down that hole to prevent a flood. Press this, open the drain, water goes down, and let's shut it off. This edge here is much wider than a toilet, and that's to provide you enough comfort. Hope you're having a great day. Goodbye.